Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Guide. Today we are here to guide you on the application Snapchat. Okay, so here's the thing. In this video we will be learning how to fix the connection error. And to put matters straight, what we need to address first is Snapchat takes a lot of data. So if you are using mobile data or cellular data, then if the internet connection is extremely slow, then your Snapchat will not be able to function and they will show a connection error. This might be one of the reasons. So you may want to link your device to a stronger Wi-Fi or get more internet data. Go to a better connection area. So this will automatically fix your connection error. Or another thing what you can do is delete and reinstall the application, or you may also just update it. Go to the Apple Store or Play Store and update the device. This might just help it, or restart your phone. So these are some of the ways in which connection error can be fixed on your mobile phone. So if this video was helpful in any ways, please leave a like, subscribe if you want more of these content, and comment down below if you have any other queries regarding it. And also comment down below if you have other ideas in which we can fix this connection error, so it will just work out for all of us. Thank you so much for watching.